Video of the '05 Chevy Express 2500 with the 4.8 liter V8 and a Hydromaster 318 restored unit, fully equipped with a brand new waste tank, 3-piece reel. We'll open up the back doors so you guys can see what it comes with. That is also a new chemical rack there, and everything that you guys see in the chemical rack comes with it. 3-piece reel. Brand new garden hose. Got solution hose there. About half of it is new. And then vacuum lines. Got some locking cuts on there. Bed liner. It's got a divider on it. Towing package. We're gonna go ahead and start her up. Brand new tires. Brand new upholstery. Super clean unit and van. $182,000 miles on it. Got your tow haul button here. Air conditioning works. Let's go ahead and open her up. Transmission and engine service. Air filter, serpentine belt. Brand new battery. It also has a brand new brake booster. And the power steering wheel. I don't know if you can see it from here, but it has a new water pump on the engine. All the fluid's been topped off. All the lights are working functioning correctly, sorry. And it does have some all-terrains on it. And if you do have an area where it snows, these are already pre-drilled if you need to put, I don't know what they're called, the little bullets for the snow. 8-lug, 2500 Chevy. Thank you and have a great day.